Okay, so in this video, we shall discuss April Cook-Off Division 2 Problem 1. It was very simple actually. And what does the problem say? A building has n floors, numbered from 0 to n. 0 is the ground floor and n is the terrace. And we have a lift. Lift will move from floor A to floor B. And when it moves from floor A to floor B, it travels modulus of b minus a floors. Now, initially the floor is in ground floor. So that is floor 0. It receives queue requests, and every request the lift has to move from current floor Fi to destination floor Di, where the people will exit. After that, it has to not stop anywhere and again go to floor Fi and then go to Di. That is, every request has to be completed sequentially. Request 1, 2, like that. We are asked to find the total number of floors it will visit. So if we look at the test case example, here n is 2, that means the floors are, if n is 2, the floors are 0, 1, 2. And the requests are 3. So initially the lift goes from 1 to 2, floor number 1 to 2. Then it goes to 0, then 1. Then from 1 it goes to 0. So let us see how this is happening. So initially lift is at 0 and it has to go to floor 1. So it will go to floor 1 and so initially lift is at floor 0, it goes to floor number 1. After that it goes to floor number 2. So it has traveled 2 floors. Now in the second request, it has to come back to floor number 0. So it travels another 2 floors. Then it goes to floor number 1. So it has traveled 1 floor. And from there it goes back to floor number 0. So it has traveled 1 more floor. So total number of floors traveled is 6. Here total number of floors doesn't mean distinct floors, like how much distance the lift has traveled. Basically that's all they want. So let us see my code. So I had coded like this. I'm taking the input over here and I'm storing all the requests in the form of an array. I'm keeping a sum variable to find the final sum. So here I am processing all the requests, and initially when I is equal to 0, that is the lift is in floor 0 and then it goes to floor Fi. That is, in this request, the first request, if it has to go from floor 1 to floor 2, first it has to reach floor 1, right? So that is why I've written this statement. You have to first reach floor 1 and then how much ever distance you travel, that you have to add. If I is not 0, then what you should do? You should add this value, that is Fi minus d of I minus 1 absolute value, which means what? See, in the first request, it was at position 2. Then in the second request, it has come to position 0. So that is floor 0. So it has moved how many? 2 minus 0 floors. That is 2 floors it has moved. So every request apart from the first one, you have to add the previous destination value with the current uh, floor value. So that is what was the catch in this question. Otherwise, it was very simple only. And then print the sum in a new line. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.